Jiangsu Jitri Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Research Institute Company Limited, is jointly initiated and established by the National Jiangbei New District, the Intelligent Manufacturing Core Team, and Jiangsu Industrial Technology Research Institute, relying on the company's establishment of the Nanjing Jitri Intelligent Manufacturing Public Technology Service Platform. It has received investment from Jiangbei New District, 100 million yuan to purchase related equipment, as an important foundation for the construction of a public service platform for intelligent manufacturing technology. At present, the platform has completed equipment procurement of more than 56.1878 million yuan, including portable 3D scanning measurement arm, scanning electron microscope, CMM, dynamic tracking system, production measurement system, high-speed sensitivity area scan camera, roundness tester, surface roughness tester, photoelectric direct reading spectrometer, image measuring instrument, bionic robot test system, human-machine collaborative robot, industrial robot, automatic line of precision machine tool, coordinated and virtual reality platform, and intelligent workshop control equipment, etc.